Anyway, this is all the thread that was inside. I took it out because I wanted to use that for my washi tape in there. But look at this one. Isn't that cool? It's a green spool. I'm going to put that on my shelf. There's this cool wooden sock darning thing. Old thimbles. Anybody know what this is? That was in there. This thing was in there. I'm wondering if this has something to do with hemming. Look at this old medicine bottle that has some, I think there's buttons and needles in there. Over here we have 22 zippers, which I probably will never use. And this Singer snap and eyelet plier kit, I don't think it's ever even been opened. And then over there we have a bunch of silk ribbons and other ribbons that I'm going to just put in my ribbon drawer. I don't think I'll be using them very often. And then two of these buckle things, picture hangers. And then open this up. I put my washi tapes on this side. In this drawer is vintage buttons, and then this thing was in there. There's two of these. Anybody know what that was for? Let me know, but there's two of those. And then I'll open this side next. This is the other place where I put my washi tape. I thought it was perfect for that. And then we open this up. This one's still empty. I still have room for that. And then in here are all the trims that came with it. Look at this beautiful lace. We have that. This one. How precious is that? And then some eyelet. That one. This one, like a brocade. Then we have two little pieces of this, and I believe this is called brocade. Look at this precious little purple flower trim. Isn't that adorable? We have a piece of this, which I think is gorgeous. I don't see these in the stores anymore. That. And this one, like a train, I think, yeah. This one. And then we have some crocheted lace. Let's see. There we go. That's pretty. And then some other laces, little pieces of lace. I hope that it's focusing. We have some black, and then we have these are seam tapes that are lacy. And then we have the bias binding tape. These are all different colors of, you know, just like regular bias binding. And then over in this corner, we've got some rickrack. So we got some red and yellow wide rickrack. We have some thin black rickrack. There's, believe that's navy blue, green, and it's navy blue again. Pink and blue. That was all the trims that were inside. There's one more thing on my desk I want to show you. These electric scissors were in there, and I already tried them out, and I was shocked that they worked, but even more shocked that they cut right through it like butter. Watch. Is that amazing or what? I was not expecting it to cut so well. It's like It's amazing. So I think I remember my mother having something like this, if not the same exact thing. But anyway, let's do another piece. Watch. Ready? Let's cut this seam off here. Oh. It just goes right through it. It's beautiful, so smooth. So anyway, that's it for my treasure chest that I found in an ARC thrift shop. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.